Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up Metapixel on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, this is a really simple integration. However, if you've migrated your site from Squarespace 7.0 to 7.1, you might already have it added, or if you've used an earlier version of Pixel, you might already have it added, but we're going to remove that right now. Now, the previous way of actually adding it was through the Pages menu. You go into Pages, scroll down into Website Tools, and under Custom CSS or Custom Injection, you would see your Metapixel code. Usually it is in header, and as you can see, every tag or every component of the header and footer has these sort of parentheses with the name of the component at the beginning and at the end. And if you find something for Meta or Facebook Pixel, you just want to delete all the code, including the title and the end, just like so. Now, this is for Google Tag Manager. I won't be removing it, but that is what you need to delete. Now, once you've deleted all of that there, integration will be disabled. And now what we need to do is we need to go into our settings menu, go into marketing, click on Metapixel and ads, and you need to add your Metapixel ID over here. So go over into Pixel and get your Pixel ID added over here. And then you need to paste this link by copying it and pasting it into the data feed URL in the business manager to create dynamic product ads on Meta. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Once you've done that, that's pretty much it. Test the connection, put everything into play, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.